Hello folks, welcome to our channel Insta Aspirations. We are back with another video of vocabulary. I have observed students struggling with their lexical resources and grammatical errors. So today we are going to learn some new words which actually mean the same. Let's start with the word student, which is a very basic word. So instead of student, we can use words such as scholar, pupil, tutee or freshman. For example, the teacher pointed out the mistakes of the scholar. And for the word pupil, we can say the pupil disobeyed the teacher. The next word here is teacher. So instead of teacher, we can use words like educator, tutor, and even instructor. For example, a good instructor is always patient with his pupils. Another word here is technology. So instead of technology, we can use the words like machinery, automation, high-tech, and even electronic components. For example, old people have a very difficult understanding with the modern high-tech. And for automation, we can say that automation don't really provide us with everything we need in our day-to-day life. The next word is clothes. Instead of clothes, we can use the words like garment, outfit, attire, tawdry, etc. We can go on with an example like my mother made me some new attire for the wedding, or we can also say I didn't bring any warm outfits. We can go ahead with the word opinion. In place of opinion, we can use standpoint, judgment, perspective, and even point of view. For example, we can say you did always have a high perspective of yourself, or we can also say that my standpoint hasn't changed about that movie. Let's move forward with another word, that is experience. Instead of experience, we can use the words expertise, mastery, and skills. For example, he lacks skills, and we can also say he has worked in this company for a very long time, so he has mastered in that field. Moving on with the word compassion, we can use pity, sympathy, empathy, concern, care, and warmth. For example, I was hoping she might show a little empathy. And we can also say, did he even feel any sympathy for the victim of this crime? The last word for today is famous. For famous, we will use well-known, renowned, popular, acclaimed, and even honored. For example, the boy grew up to be a very popular musician, and also my friend does impressions of honored people. I hope this session was pleasant to you. Do let us know if you guys have any suggestions in the comment section below. Like, share, and follow us. And stay tuned. Hope to see you all soon. Thank you.